the tragedy to a courtroom drama. The film scores a 3.55 for its gripping portrayal of events that shaped the fight for justice. The narrative thrust of Kesari Chapter 2 is its courtroom drama, spotlighting Sir Sankaran Nayar's battle against the British cover-up of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Despite his initial loyalty to the British, Nayar, played by Akshay Kumar, becomes disillusioned upon discovering the massacre was not a counter-terrorism measure but a premeditated act of genocide. His transformation and legal fight, alongside co-counsel Dilpreet Kaur portrayed by Ananya Pandey, against the British establishment's Mr. Mackenzie, played by R. Madhavan, form the core of this compelling story. What elevates Kesari Chapter 2 is its ensemble cast's powerful performances and the emotive musical score. The film's music, including the reprised version of Teri Mitti, and new songs like O Shira and Kithe Gaya Tu Saiya, adds a haunting depth to the storyline. The authenticity and depth brought forth by the actors, with Akshay Kumar's climactic performance being particularly noteworthy, make for a riveting watch. The film's bold depiction of British atrocities and Nayar's quest for truth showcase a poignant tribute to India's fight for justice. However, Kesari Chapter 2 isn't without its flaws. The film's depiction of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre could have been more impactful, and at times, the use of commercial elements and loud background scores detracts from the story's gravity. Additionally, certain dialogues, especially those in Hindi spoken by the British characters, may be difficult for audiences to comprehend. These aspects occasionally mar the film's otherwise strong narrative and emotional resonance. In terms of performances, the film boasts of an impressive cast. Akshay Kumar shines as Sir Sankaran Nayar, capturing his character's internal turmoil with nuance and intensity. R. Madhavan, as Mr. Mackenzie, brings a charismatic presence to the screen, making his character both formidable and engaging. Ananya Pandey, in the role of Dilpreet Kaur, offers a performance that is both heartfelt and inspiring, while Simon Paisley Day's portrayal of General Dyer is chillingly effective, evoking strong emotions from the audience. Despite its occasional missteps, Kesari Chapter 2 stands out as a spiritual sequel to Kesari, offering a gripping and emotionally charged experience. Its strong performances, soul-stirring music, and the unflinching exploration of a pivotal moment in history make it a must-watch. While the film could have benefited from a more grounded approach, its powerful second half and impactful storytelling render it a worthy homage to the pursuit of truth and justice. Kesari Chapter 2 is currently available for viewing in theaters, providing audiences a chance to witness this dramatic portrayal of a significant historical event.